Hola mes amours, I am starting today's vlog from my dad's car. I'm actually heading out to a cafe to meet up with a girl who comes from DC, but she's looking to see if she wants to move here, so this should be fun. It is hella hot. Car alarm goes off randomly, but alright, here we go. In KINSHASA, and it is so incredible, guys. Had our meal like I showed you, but let me show the animals here. But the man just popped up, but it's like a mix of an animal sanctuary and a restaurant. So that side is the restaurant with all the seating, and then this side is the animal sanctuary. And I love, look how adorable, look at how cute. Gotta do it for the gram. But then they have animals here, and I'm just gonna take you with me and show you. Okay, so look at that. They got chicken. They got baby doves. Look at these. Look at that. Look at these guys. Oh, these ones are super chatty. Oh my gosh. Y'all seen this feet? Dang, roosters. And these Hola mes amours, Vinja here. Welcome back to a brand new day. It is Saturday, May 23rd, 22nd, and I'm picking up my driver's license. Yes, picking it up because this is the world we live in, where I guess you put in everything you need and then you can just pick up a license. So I'm picking it up today. I am also going to be running some errands with my dad in the city, and then hopefully I'll get some data. I feel like in most of these vlogs y'all are hearing me cry about data because there's no like unlimited plan or anything like that, so we'll be on the struggle bus for data. Anyway, let's go. Okay, so another day. Oh wait, what am I saying? I got my new license, people of goods, and I mean, you know what? Africa comes with conveniences where you don't necessarily have to show up for things like getting a license. So yeah, I got my license, and then I'm excited that I can now officially drive, because I was driving with my American one, and it's my mass license, and the problem with that is if you get stopped by the cops, they take advantage of it, and they can just say, oh, this is not the law, blah blah blah. And I'm like, I've literally not been to a country where I haven't been able to drive with my American one, but I don't put it past Congolese cops to try and make a buck. So the best thing my dad said was to get a license, and so we did. So now I can officially be on the road with all the 20,000 crazy people. So step one for the day is a bank run. So we're just actually gonna try and get some change so we can purchase things around the city. and so I don't have to swipe 50,000 times and get charged bank fees. That's a story for another day. But gonna be able to at least get some data. What connectivity? And then yeah, at least be back with the land of the living. And then I think my dad has some more errands to run, so we'll figure that out. But I like this. Today, what time is it? It's going to 9, so it's only 8 in the morning, and this is the perfect time to be out and about in the city. Like, people are just starting to get going. But again, this is the weekend. If it was the weekday, it would have been a complete nightmare. But we take the blessings that we get, guys. I've been reading this book called The Innovation Stack, and it is actually pretty incredible. And where I am, I like stopped halfway through. The author pretty much says like the difference between like a businessman and an entrepreneur is that like an entrepreneur has audacity and perseverance, but more audacity than perseverance. And I was like, man, audacity needs to be at an all-time high in my life. It's time. It is time to just be fully audacious. I know I am ready. So let's get to building. Let's get to building stuff, guys. Let's get to building. Stopping to get some tomatoes and onions from the streets, but I had to get my mask back on because it's super polluted. Oh my gosh, I was coughing halfway through because it's like bikes. I think you guys have seen between like the bikes, the cars, just the amount of dust in the air. There's a lot going on, and like they have a lot of old cars without like catalytic converters, so yeah, it's quite a mess here. And the masks actually come in handy to kind of prevent all of that getting into your body. So I know I was mask free earlier, but I had to pop this guy back on because yeah, the air quality is not that great here. But we're heading home. I got some candy, got some data, and then it is, oh my god, it's only 10:35 and we've pretty much done like half of the errands we needed to do. So it's a pretty successful Saturday. I think now we're gonna watch Sound of Music. My little sister's 12, she's never watched it. Yesterday we watched Shrek, which was 20 years. Oh my god, I can't believe it. Shrek has been out for 20 years, guys. Insane. So watch that, realize that I still know it verbatim. I'm one of those people. And then yeah, I think we'll do Sound of Music today. Yeah, that's what the squad looks like, guys. Just aujourd'hui on a... Oh, ok, tu vas les donner. C'est ce qu'on fait aujourd'hui. Hey girl, amours. Welcome to the vlog. Say hello, ladies. Yes. Today we're going to be going on a beach, but that's as much as I know. To what I was saying, guys. We're getting registered to get on the boat. So we shall see how this goes. Alright guys, so after some kerfuffle on our tickets and all, which were paid for, just to be clear, we are not freeloading, Abby.
We are not freeloading.
Can you imagine? So we're now gonna get on to, oh girl!
It's a video.
This is what's happening.
Come, he's taking pictures. Come take a picture.
Ladies to the boat. Grace, t'es prête? I have found my people. I feel seen. Oh my god. Look up. Say hi to the people. Oh Lord. It's about to be interesting. We were supposed to start at 8. It's 10 to 10. So I guess we're early or on time. Congo. But it's pretty. Dieu merci, travail.
Working.
This guy is working. He just lifted us like on his back.
Carried me.
Sir.
All of these, huh?
I don't. You know what? Let's take you to where we're going. How about that? Because it's already started. Entirely too dramatic for me.
Too dramatic. But it's good. Drama's good, you know?
It's spicy. It gives things spicy.
Spicy. Add a little spice.
Give them salt big. Give
Spice.
them salt big.
Spice.
Look at that. That is the Congo River, people. Although for a river, it is mighty huge.
It's like an ocean.
Seriously.
It's huge. We were in the boat for like, what, 30 minutes?
At least half an hour.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, girl. Oh, all right. This is where we're coming to. Let's see. Oh, girl. Oh, we got English. I feel like there's a DJ. Is that a DJ?
There's a DJ?
I feel like
There's
there's
a
a
speaker,
speaker.
guys.
That's a DJ.
There's a speaker. That means there's a DJ.
That means there's musica.
It's about to go down.
There is musica.
No idea.
We ready? This is our food tent. Barbecue going on over here. She's working with the chefs. And we've got some of this here. So, mini lunchtime with my faves. This is called Kwanga. Kwanga.
Please.
This is called
No, so
Makimba. I might be mispronouncing it. It's pretty much just like a fried plantain, some grilled chicken, and then some chili. I don't know if y'all can see that. Chili, some mayo. We eating. Oh, I'm actually wearing. I didn't talk about my jewelry today. This is Kenyan. Her name is Dana Vito. Might be mispronouncing it, but she makes these with like women, and they hand cut like every design. They don't use any machinery. Insane. So there's that, and my little ring out here. Yeah. She out here
eating chicken. I'm making samurai.
Girl, what are you doing?
Samurai dressing. No, samurai sauce.
What is samurai sauce?
It's a mix of chili and mayonnaise.
And
Getting that video?
you in it. They didn't sign up for this, but here we are.
But
Here we are. Yeah. So we are literally in the water now, and rocking my Dana Vita pieces. And look at that, cutie pies. Free photographers out here. Nobody gonna let you drown, sis. Hola, mes amours. So excuse all of the sweating here, but we're in the Congo River, like literally. All of that is the Congo River, and this is what my swimsuit looks like. Amazon people, Amazon. So, also these sunglasses, Amazon people, Amazon. I'll try linking them down below if they still exist. I actually got them all last summer, but this is really nice. Oh, we out here at the Congo River. These are not everyday experiences, but we'll take them. Don't let the Iranian disappear. Listen, please. We do not need any international. No! So, quick update. Once again, with a shiny forehead, but we're not talking about that because we're about to get on these boats. Literally, everybody else is under the tent. We're the only ones who are like, yeah, let's get on a rickety boat and see if we'll make it. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's get on the boat. Boat! We got this guy rowing. We got that guy rowing. We got the other ones there. Bye, Moisa. Come, Moisa. Bye, Moisa. This is our version of... Ooh, girl. We got all the heavy duties in here. This is not right. Oh, look at us tempting fate. Oh, he working. Really brought us far out. Like, that's where the shore is. It's far.
No. Over there.
I know. Please, sir. Kind sir.
Kind sir, we'd like to live.
Please. And not die on the Congo River. Like, it would be a Lifetime movie. Woo! There were 3 women all on the Congo River. Tragedy struck.
Like, TV special that's about to be made about this trip. Like 5 Americans went to Congo and died on the Congo River in a little canoe.
No, all in the attempt of getting Instagrammable moments.
Yeah, for Instagram.
This? I can confirm I was not built for the tiny boat. I was, nope. Oh my God, my whole heart.
I don't know what's about to be about this.
Let me tell you, they be out here evil, son. Because they tilted the boat.
Oh God, you guys. Great time.
Great, I agree. Mad great times. But let's wrap it up.
Yeah.
The way I'm set up right now, I am on thin ice.
You're on thin ice?
On thin ice. Benja's just trying to live to see another day.
Benji just wants to live to see another day.
Just one more Instagrammable moment for me.
Nina.
That is it. That is our day. Leaving. Lots of people still here. People still here, actually. I'm going to show you. They are grilling some fish. And this is the last thing I'm going to show you before I leave. Yep. This is heading back to the boat. I don't know. I'm a little sad. You sad? Are you ready?
I'm sad, but I'm also ready. Because, you know, I need a nap. I need a shower and a nap.
Amen.
And a snack.
Snackety snacks.
Okay.
Ooh-cha. So you see, oh, they got a chair now. At least we can get on the chair and get in. Yo, if I find the clip, I'll insert it.
Something there.
Oh my, oh, so he's literally carrying us.
Yeah.
Oh no. Oh Dieu, merci, t'es prêt? When we came in, the man carried me on his back. Carried you on his
Hey,
back.
I have it on video, huh?
I'm gonna need you to share that because yes, a grown man carried me. He hold me. But yes, that's it. Bye, Peach. There we go. See that chair right there? That's what I'm gonna climb on to go. Boat life. So we are testing out a new cafe called La Pâtisserie Nouvelle. So let us go in. Oh, this looks so good.